Welcome to MachiningCloud's Tool Advisor, a smart way to select cutting tools based on the exact feature you need to machine. You can access Tool Advisor directly from the MachiningCloud homepage. Once inside, simply choose the feature that best matches your application, whether that's a hole, pocket, or turning operation. From there, enter the key job details. Start with your workpiece material, then define the feature dimensions such as diameter and depth. You can also apply tolerance requirements to refine your results. If needed, you can include machine-specific information like spindle or turret details to further tailor your recommendations. Additional inputs such as tool type preference, solid or indexable, shank style, entry and exit angles and surface finish requirements can also be added. And if you're unsure, the visual guides on the right-hand side make it easy to understand exactly what's being asked. Once your inputs are complete, click Continue. The Tool Advisor will then run in the background while preparing the results. Once ready, they will be displayed in the Download tab at the top of the screen, where you can access the ranked list of tooling options. With results prioritized by performance, including material removal rate, so you can quickly identify the most efficient solution. Selecting a tool takes you to a detailed product page where you can explore full specifications and take the next step, whether that's building an assembly, adding the tool to your cart via MSC, saving it to your workshop inventory, assigning it to a job, or exporting it directly into your CAD/CAM system. MachiningCloud's Tool Advisor helps you move from problem to solution faster, simplifying tool selection and bringing greater confidence to your machining process.